Most beginners think acting is about emotion. They believe the job is to feel something strongly enough and then show it to the audience. That idea causes more damage to new actors than almost anything else. Because real actors are not trying to feel something, they are trying to solve something. Here's the shift that changes everything. Actors don't play emotions, they play problems. Every scene is a situation where something is wrong, incomplete, or unresolved. Someone wants something is in the way. And the scene exists because that problem has not been solved yet. When beginners focus on emotion, they usually start pushing. They try to cry, they try to sound angry, they try to be intense. That usually looks fake. Not because the actor is bad, but because emotion without purpose has nowhere to live. Professionals approach scenes differently. They ask practical questions. What do I want in this moment? Why do I need it? What happens if I don't get it? And what am I doing to try to get it? Those questions give the performance structure. Emotion becomes a byproduct, not the goal. Think about real life. When you're arguing with someone, you're not trying to feel angry, you're trying to be understood, or to win, or to protect yourself. The emotion shows up because the situation demands it. That's how acting works. When beginners chase emotion, they often disconnect from the other person. They turn inward, they focus on themselves, they stop listening. Professional actors stay outward. They stay engaged with the problem and the person in front of them. This is why two actors can perform the same scene and one feels real while the other feels forced. The real one is working on something. They're trying to change the situation. Here's another beginner mistake. They think emotion equals truth, but truth comes from behavior. What are you doing? What choice are you making? What action are you taking? Audiences believe behavior long before they believe emotion. This is why subtle performances often feel stronger. They're grounded in action. If you remember one thing from this class, remember this. Acting is not about showing how you feel. It's about pursuing something under pressure. When you do that honestly, emotion takes care of itself. That's how actors really work.